Hi, my name is Kai from Photon for Health, and this is the Tesla Laser Disc. The Tesla Laser Disc is a flat disc with 9 lasers and Tesla magnetic field therapy. Tesla magnetic field therapy will give your red blood cells extra magnetic power, allowing them to repel each other more effectively. Red blood cells are essentially tiny discs, and in every drop of blood, there are about 150 million of them. The art lies in the fact that when they encounter each other, they repel. If that repelling action is less effective because the magnetic strength of the red blood cells decreases, they will start to stick together. This leads to clumps of blood cells in your bloodstream. This phenomenon is referred to as rouleau formation. A staggering 90% of individuals experience issues related to this, primarily due to our disconnection from the Earth and the continuous exposure to harmful radiation emitted by smartphones and Wi-Fi networks. Tesla magnetic field therapy recharges the magnetic power of your blood cells. So if you want to treat yourself, a good spot is here on your heart, where all the blood flows through in just a few minutes. And then, in just 10 minutes, your entire blood supply is recharged for the rest of the day. So, what takes place when your blood cells can better reject each other? This means they can transport oxygen much more efficiently, which is the main job of your red blood cells. They transport oxygen in your body and remove carbon dioxide. They are constantly working to deliver oxygen to the tissues in your body everywhere, expelling carbon dioxide as you breathe out. Thus, having a good surface area of those cells is crucial. If they clump together, the surface area of red blood cells reduces, making oxygen transport less efficient. In simple terms, magnetic field therapy enhances oxygen transport in the body, leading to higher oxygen levels. As I have already pointed out, 90% of the population suffers from this issue, often without their knowledge. When you attach a saturation meter to your finger, it typically shows a reading of 95 or 99% oxygen. How can this be? The explanation is that while oxygen is present on the outer surface of all those red blood cells, only this outer layer is what gets measured. If you were to separate all those red blood cell stacks, you would find that the total oxygen content is considerably lower than if all those cells were free to move. Tesla magnetic field therapy is a useful therapy that can greatly help with various fatigue complaints. Additionally, it aids in improving the overall functioning of the body. As an extra feature, we have incorporated 9 lasers for ATP laser therapy. And the ATP laser therapy is done with red, green, and purple lasers. These lasers stimulate the conversion of nutrients into energy. The fuels that you consume, including fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and sugars, need to be transformed by the body into ATP, which serves as the fuel for cells. The colored lasers enhance the conversion of these fuels into energy, thus boosting energy levels in your whole body. You can get the Tesla laser magnetic field disc separately, or you can buy it together with a photon therapy device. It comes with the Red Power at Home system, which is great for using biophotons and magnetic field therapy at home. If you buy it separately, it is also a valuable tool as an additional extension, perhaps with other devices or therapies you use to add an extra dimension, to also vitalize the blood and stimulate energy production. It has an outstanding price-quality ratio, providing great value for your investment. With this simple little solution, you can take the first step towards treating yourself at home with effective therapies like ATP therapy and magnetic field therapy. As a delightful finishing touch, a biophoton laser is integrated in the center to incorporate the biphotone into your body. One laser certainly doesn't do as much as the other devices we sell, but the Tesla laser disc has significant therapeutic value and can be a valuable purchase for you. Good to know that you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied, so you can just go ahead and enjoy it for a whole month. If it doesn't do what you expect and you're not happy, you can return it without any hassle. There's no risk at all. The only risk is that it could help you so much that you'll never want to be without it. But I wholeheartedly wish that for you, in any case. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm Kai from Photon for Health, and I hope to see you again soon.